Are you sensing the desire to get smarter, achieve inner peace, bounce back from any situation stronger than ever in the new year? Well, here is the simplest, most elegant and practical framework for improving your life. It's called Stoicism. What is Stoicism? Let's start with clarifying what Stoicism philosophy is not. Stoicism is not a roadmap to accumulating material wealth. While it's true that following Stoic principles may lead to financial success, as demonstrated by the prosperous Stoic philosopher Seneca, accumulating riches is not the ultimate aim of this philosophy. Stoicism aims to guide you toward a life filled with fulfillment and meaning. Such a life cannot be achieved with a mind that is burdened by negative emotions like fear, anger, resentment, grief, and anxieties. True fulfillment can only be achieved through a peaceful mind. The wisdom of Stoic philosophy is designed to lead you to a state of peace and tranquility. This is by far the most simple, elegant, and practical framework for improving your life. Practicing Stoicism is a small commitment that can lead to enormous improvement. Imagine it's like the 80-20 rule cranked up to the max, or picture it as the secret weapon everyone doubts you can find. Before we start, I would like to ask you to watch this video till the end, as all the content is important. We will also provide free resources for you to start your Stoic journey. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now be strong and stay focused. So, what is the true essence of Stoicism? Stoicism is essentially two things: a framework for how to view the world, other people, and our place within it. A set of ethics which guide our thoughts and actions towards strength of character. Point 1 serves as a magnet for many people drawn to this philosophy. The Stoic framework fosters emotional resilience and peace of mind, which makes it attractive to many of us. However, through careful exploration of the philosophy, many individuals find themselves drawn into its teachings and identify another level of value within its ethical foundations. We all go through thoughts, feelings, and urges that can make life difficult and frustrating. Stoics try to change how they see these things by thinking in a controlled and disciplined way. The goal is to make their minds work for them instead of against them. To gain insight into Stoicism, familiarize yourself with the history of the Stoic philosophy. Stoicism, a famous philosophy with roots dating back 2,000 years to Athens, was founded by Zeno of Citium. Zeno, once a very wealthy merchant, faced a turn of fortune when he lost everything in a shipwreck and found himself stranded in Athens at the age of 22. It was in an Athenian bookshop that he encountered the teachings of Socrates, inspiring him to formulate his own philosophical principles, now referred as Stoicism. Zeno and his followers gathered in Athens to discuss, debate, and find answers for how to live a fulfilling and joyful life. Based on these discussions, they formulated a set of guidelines for living, and these principles remain highly relevant for navigating the challenges of today's demanding world. Now, what are the core concepts of Stoicism? 1. Control what you can. A key concept in Stoicism is the dichotomy of control, highlighting the importance of focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you can't. Imagine yourself as the captain of a ship navigating a stormy sea. You can't control the weather, but you can steer your ship. This concept helps us in acknowledging events around us and mitigates unnecessary suffering. 2. It's not what happens, how you react matters. In Stoicism, the conviction is that our distress doesn't arise from the events themselves, but from our judgments or opinions about these events. Picture a day when everything seems to go wrong, from spilled coffee to a missed deadline. Instead of dwelling on the setbacks, choosing to remain calm, resilient, and finding solutions fosters a mindset that helps navigate challenges and turn the day around positively. This concept emphasizes the transformative power of one's reactions in shaping the overall experience. 3. Stay steady amid events and emotions. Stoic reserve is a concept in Stoicism that encourages individuals to cultivate emotional resilience by not being overly influenced or swayed by external events or emotions. It involves maintaining a sense of inner calm and rationality, even in the face of challenging circumstances. For example, if faced with unexpected criticism at work, practicing Stoic reserve would entail not allowing the negative emotions of anger or defensiveness to take over. Instead, one might objectively assess the criticism, filter out the emotional response, and respond thoughtfully and constructively, fostering emotional resilience in the process. 4. Virtue is the highest good. Stoicism suggests that one should prioritize the cultivation of virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, as these qualities contribute to a good and fulfilling life. It emphasizes that true well-being comes from aligning one's actions with these virtues rather than pursuing external rewards. Consider a situation where someone faces a choice at work between taking a shortcut that compromises integrity or upholding ethical principles, despite potential challenges. Choosing the path of justice and integrity aligns with Stoic virtue, contributing to a more meaningful and ultimately satisfying life. 5. Remember death. Memento mori is a Latin phrase that translates to remember death. Stoicism encourages reflecting on mortality as a means to appreciate life and prioritize what truly matters. The idea is to recognize the impermanence of life and use that awareness to focus on meaningful pursuits. For example, someone practicing memento mori might regularly reflect on the brevity of life and as a result decide to spend more quality time with loved ones or pursue a passion they've been putting off. This reflection on mortality serves as a reminder to live with purpose and make the most of the time one has. In today's fast-paced, stress-filled world, the principles of Stoicism, though ancient in origin, remain incredibly relevant. Here's how Stoicism can benefit you. Stoicism equips mental health. Stoicism provides practical tools and techniques for managing mental health challenges such as stress, anxiety, and depression. The philosophy emphasizes the importance of distinguishing between what is within and beyond your control, helping you focus your energy on aspects you can influence. This shift in perspective often leads to a more balanced and resilient mental state. Stoicism promotes emotional resilience. Embracing Stoic principles nurtures emotional resilience, guiding you to face life's challenges with a composed and rational mindset. It assists you in dealing with challenges and bouncing back from tough times. Stoicism emphasizes accepting external events without needless emotional turmoil, fostering the strength to endure difficulties and rebound from setbacks. Stoicism improves relationships for stronger connections. Stoicism emphasizes virtues like empathy and fairness in your interactions with others. By practicing these principles, you learn to approach relationships with a sense of understanding and compassion. Stoicism guides you to focus on what you can give to your relationships rather than what you can get, fostering stronger, more meaningful connections with those around you. Stoicism guides better decisions. Refining wisdom through Stoic practices elevates decision-making by aligning actions with values and long-term goals. The Stoic emphasis on rationality and thoughtful consideration provides a clear perspective, aiding you in navigating complexity and making decisions that enhance overall well-being and fulfillment. A handful of thinkers helped to form Stoic philosophy, and you may have encountered these names in various places. Now, let's explore some of the most famous Stoics and learn about their contributions to Stoic philosophy. This way you can better understand their theories when you come across them in the future. Seneca, a prominent Stoic philosopher and advisor to Emperor Nero, is renowned for his significant contributions to Stoic philosophy. His writings, including Letters to Lucilius and On the Shortness of Life, delve into the themes of virtuous living, resilience in the face of adversity, and the impermanence of human existence. Marcus Aurelius, the revered Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, left an indelible mark on Stoicism through his personal reflections encapsulated in Meditations. This timeless work delves into the Stoic mindset, offering insights on self-discipline, the acceptance of fate, and the alignment of one's actions with Stoic principles. Marcus Aurelius' Meditations remains a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Born as a slave, Epictetus rose to prominence as a Stoic teacher, leaving a lasting impact through his discourses and his handbook Enchiridion. Emphasizing personal agency, resilience, and mastering one's inner self, Epictetus's teachings provide practical guidance on applying Stoicism to everyday life, inspiring individuals to navigate challenges with wisdom and virtue. Having laid the groundwork of Stoicism, are you now eager to dive deeper into this philosophy and apply its principles to enrich your life? In the description section, you'll find links to some free books that can aid you in this journey. Remember, exploring Stoicism through reading can be a transformative journey for beginners seeking wisdom and practical guidance in navigating life's challenges. The benefits of reading Stoic literature extend beyond intellectual stimulation. They offer a roadmap to personal growth, emotional well-being, and a more intentional and fulfilling life. As we conclude this exploration of Stoicism for beginners, remember that embracing the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy is not just a theoretical pursuit. It's a practical guide to living a more intentional and resilient life. The journey into Stoicism is a continual process, and the resources provided in the description can serve as valuable companions on your path to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey, and may your exploration of Stoicism bring about positive and lasting changes in your life.